Hi everyone! We're back! Sa live namin ngayon ay magbubukas kami ng mga regalo sa The V88 The Birthday Concert para mabuksan na ang all. Okay.
Nag-charge lang yung saglit, guys.
Yes! Nag-charge lang kasi nalobat kami. So, ayan, babalik tayo ulit ng mga. Okay, so, for si Kiana with a K. So, walang pangalan. Okay, go.
Let's go back, y'all! I'm back. We're back. So, next gift.
Eh, sino nagbigay?
Sino bigay? Oy? Wala yung ngalan, darling, but...
Maglagay kayo ng pangalan para ma-shower up kayo.
Shower out!
Yes.
Next
Okay, next gift.
from Lifewear.
So, cute ito.
Maano siya, maganda siya sa ano.
Hindi, maganda yung dito, oh.
Wow! I think this is Bella.
10 points.
Hi, parents. It's me, Gianna with a J.
Hello,
Gianna with a J.
PH Pride, here comes the pride.
Tide. PH Pride, here comes the tide. PH Pride, here comes. PH Pride, here comes the tide. Red Lusan, get ready for the ride. Mga almoranas.
Ay, mga perfect.
Balzac, instant, and then we have carbonara, and we have cheese, and we have also times 2 Balzacs. Bella, it's for you, I think. Let's smile ko you. Napay mo, ah? Oh, meron pa. Balzac. So many Balzac. Uy!
I'm gonna choose, I'm sorry sister, but
What do you choose?
I'm sorry.
It's Kiana.
Hello, Mishi! Hello! And to Kiana from Mikey. Go.
Mikey. This is from Mikey.
Open.
Ang ganda ng ano pangalan mo kasi Mikey. Mikey. Okay! Woo!
Hello!
Buttercup, Momo.
Hello, ang dami mo ng ganyan.
Kiana, Mikey Ana, Queen. From Mikey. Please do not read it out loud. Hiya ako. Hindi, basahin natin out loud. Ganda ng ano mo, penmanship.
Yeah. Sabi nila pag maganda daw yung penmanship ay yun daw yung silang mga
Matatalino.
hindi matatalino. Ano daw, mataas yung patience.
Mataas yung patience. Ikaw maganda naman yung ano mo.
Kiana!
Maganda naman yung penmanship mo pero wala kang pasensya. Ano pala siya? Pag after maligo, oh. Alam mo yung meme na ano? Yung sa ano ba? Yung meme na yung kunwari silang ano, bubbles, buttercup and blossom, yung mga lalaki.
Next, Kiana. Ganyan ka na. Kiana from Princess Seren.
Oh, Princess Seren. So, pangalan niya si Ren.
Next, we have si Kiana from Sai. Personal say, wrong size, kasalanan ng seller. Aww.
Why? What is this?
Sinong seller? Sino yan? Saan ba yan na mall? Or seller? Saan ba yan? Or bakit ganyan? Bakit nagkamali siya ng size?
Pero ngayon, less than Hala, gusto kong palit og Milo.
Ito daw. Oh, hello! Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Wow! Cookie!
Hello.
That's cookie. Pero nasa ano siya?
Apoy liquid.
Hala. Rainy day, autumn, winter. Since ancient times, king. Yeah.
Cute. Titen.
Tendon.
Bakit yung sa ibang mga gift wala ting score? Baka mga ano sila, baka tulang ang score. Huwag na yung score. Ang importante, nabuksan namin.
Sino umahalik ng picture ko ang katin ng ilong ko? Ang cute. Kabibig
Next,
ko si
we
Maxi.
have-
Okay.
Sukiana. Ano?
What's this?
Chocolates.
Thank you so much for the chocolates. Ay, no brand made for consumer. No brand.
Bakit nandito yung ano ni Angel?
Baka kay Angel to.
Nandito kay Angel. Uy, ayun Sukiana.
Because she's my BFF. Underwater attack yun. Look at that.
Fit 8.
Love the look. Eat. Eat this. Because I'm gonna eat this.
Next to Kiana from Marina.
From Reno.
Yes.
Chocolate. And then stick-o.
Ay, Stiko. Masaya si Ryle naman yan.
Pamangkin ko, okay?
Tit,
Ito yung score mo.
8 points. To Kiana from Angela.
From Angela. I'm Angela. Superstar. Ha? Ano na? Yeah, ikaw nag-kiss ang picture. The fuck?
To Shay. Ay! From Kriza. Hi, Kriza.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hello.
Oh, wash bag. Alam mo na. So, yan. Kailangan maligo.
Hello, perfect ko. Dito ilalagay. Papunta kami ng Cotabato bukas. So, may lagayan na kami ng mga soap, mga ano, from yung mga...
Ah, may beauty blender.
I love it. Wash bag, tits, 10. Kasi
Tapos,
very
na from Angela, and then, I don't know what this is, but it's cute though. So, this is your score.
Ay, ang cute. Riza. Tit. 10.
10.
I love. Gusto ko yung may mga ganito yung mga picture kami. Kasi naalala ko agad, siya pala nagbigay, gano'n.
Oo, dapat may ganon. Okay.
I love it. Thank you, Riza.
Okay.
Ay! Crop
Wow.
top. Cute. Cute. I love it. I love it. Para akong
Magpaalot na ko, guys.
manager ng Jollibee.
No, manager ng
Ang bango pa. Thank you po. Next.
Namamansin
Kian.
pa ba si Idol? Hi, Kiari, guys! Sobrang galing na drag queen niya ni Kiari. Idol na idol ko yan siya.
To Kiana.
Tayo na, bibilis ng comments kasi.
To Kiana.
Kiari!
To Kiana with a K from KKV.
Wow, ito si Kiari, si Katana. Tapos, si Versex na lang. Wipes! Cotton pads. Pang skincare mo.
Wait, excuse me. Ay, ilapit natin yung camera. Aka na dali. Let's see.
Mahilas cute ko.
Diba? Huwag kang mag-ano. Huwag mo akong hamunin.
This is from Jaja. To our Queen K with a K. Happiest birthday. I'm so grateful to know you. From Jaja. Okay. Save. When ulit yung concert? Gusto niyo ba agad? Pagod pa ako. Pero go! Ang cute naman ito. Nakakawala
Next
ng
to
ano.
Kiana from Kriza.
Tapos merong ganito, tas from Kriza. Nabitin ba kayo sa concert, guys? Masaya kayo ng concert. Ang dami naman ginawa. fairness. This is Music Museum Marriage Certificate.
Ay!
Ay,
Siya yung nagana sa'yo.
Si Criza.
Pakasal.
nagpakasal si Criza sa akin.
Itigil ang kasal.
Yung punito. Yung punito. This is t-shirt.
Wala, kailangan mo yung pirmahan. Oh, ang cute, diba? Tignan mo
Ah,
yung
si
ganyan.
Criza. Si Siza.
Mas, ano siya, mas madali natin maalala mga mahal natin sa buhay ko ngayon.
For your eyes only. Dili. Makita natin sa kanila. First of all, she may not like the way I answer, but I am answering. Criza.
Puro kayo shoutout ha, mamaya na kayo. Puro kayo shoutout, yung mukha nyo parang ng ano,
Parang,
shoutout na lang. Wala, hindi na kayo nag-ano ha.
wow! Wow, this is so cute! Gila katulog ito ko ilong.
Next, we have... Ayun ba? Ando po. Sino nagbigay nito, oy? Ito, eh.
It's me.
Sino nagbigay nito? Walang pangalan.
Wow!
Ay, wow.
Hala, uy, simbadabing, dabing, dagarabinda.
Oh, dress ka na.
Hala, pang ano ko to? Pull up in now, if this is kind of sign. Good night. Which one is leading me to hell or paradise? Baby, I can hurt you sure, but I'm your jealous type. He loves me, but it could be nothing about me.
Bongga.
When
Very,
my eyes are green, I'm
very,
red.
very animal. Very animal. Thank you so much sa nagbigay nun.
It's
Walang
me.
pangalan. Hindi ko alam. Walang pangalan.
Social. Ganda. Pwede ko siyang i-alter. Ipapa-alter ko to, gawin ko siyang outfit. Because it's just a, what do you call this one?
Blazer.
Yeah. So I think ipapa-alter ko siya. I'm gonna make it like a cat suit or something. And then put stones in it. Are you seeing the vision? Ang ganda ng tela.
To Shay Shui K from Ate Lira. Hindi talaga ako nakakalimutan ni Ate Lira.
Aw, sweet.
She's so sweet.
Ang ganda ng tela, guys. So,
Ate Lira, thank
I'm
you.
gonna alter this one. Zimbadabing. Review, ayaw ko manood sa'yo, I go, ha?
Wow, grabe! Hello.
Ano daw?
Happy to see you perform, Kev. Super guwapa. Anyway, DIY samgyup ang hot pot attack. Okay. Para dun sa hot pot na binigay niya, yung laman. Wow, thank you, Ate Lira. T10.
Then.
Next, we have, ayun na, may mga maliliit na ng mga gift.
Ooh.
This is Shay on Love Shay. Shay.
So, Kiana from Marine Cuarto. Marian, si Marian Cuarto. Celine. Ano kaya to? Wow. Mikana. Marian, from Marian. Let's see the picture.
Please don't read on live. Love you.
Ay, hindi to, Angel.
Iliiano ko to. Iliiano ko to.
Oh my God, may gift pala si Angel
Dear
dito.
Kia...
Kay Angel to, kay Angel, kay Angel. Kay Angel to. Kay Angel ni. Baka ito yung sa akin. Ah, si teacher! Yeah, si Marian. Teacher ng Perpetual, shoutout sa'yo.
To Kiana daw. Kay Elijah.
She's a, tawag dito, thesis teacher. Anong tawag doon? Taray, si Lynn. See you tomorrow, see you! See you tomorrow. You better be ready, cause we're gonna go, ah!
Ang dali na ba? Tulog ako.
Tulog ka? Next! It's a Labubu. No, it's not a Labubu. From Kiana, I don't know from who. So, pipili ako. Okay, gusto ko yung duck. I want the duck. Is it a duck? Yeah, I want a duck or ang pangalan niya Lie or si Escape. Let's open this. Ay! Nakita ko na tuloy. Ah, da. Cutie.
Cute siya.
Cutie. Nakita ko na siya. Panira man eh. Panira na moment baga.
Next, we have Tushay Shriki from Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. Thank you. Hi.
Hala na Kay. Mikey.
No, cute.
Pero yung koko ko ang dumi ah.
Thank you, Jasmine. Cute.
Miss you.
And, ito, binigay to sa akin. Bandana.
Ito naman from Elijah. Dear Kian, happy birthday. Ay, okay. Do not read. Thank you. Pero ngayon, yes. From Elijah pa rin ito. To Kiana. Coin purse, mama. Ay, parang may laman. Hala, anong laman?
Ay! Ang daming pagkain.
Ala, pang retouch.
Ang daming pagkain. Thank you. Sino ba nagbigay nito?
Ito, from Elijah Gapone. Beechcraft. Oh my God, you all are not ready for Beechcraft. Bawal pa sabihin, surprise. But for sure, I'll be lang. I'll be waiting for you. Keychain from Malaysia. Social. Ay, halika na. Halika na, halika na.
Pati na lang. Palit ko sa'yo. Kiana with a K. So, okay na.
Y'all are not ready for bitch crap. You know that I'm a Halloween girly, so you better watch out. Ano ba may nagsasabi niyo dyan? Pa-shoutout mga bayot. Hindi tayo close para tawagin mo akong bayot. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Uy!
Ah!
Oo.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Asang gunting?
Ilalim na. Ayun.
Ay, nanakon di ay. What's this? From Angelica! Angelica! Ano daw? Ano sabi niya? Hindi napansin yung letter na nasa loob ng paper bag, ma. Saan?
Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Parang.
Saan? Saan? Ito naman, happy birthday, Kiara from Angelica. May you always be fierce as your heels, as dazzling as your makeup, and as unforgettable as every performance you slay. Keep shining, my iconic superstar. You inspire me in so many ways. I'm always rooting for you, Team Kiana. Always and always. From Angelica. What is this?
Siya.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Yeah. Yeah, what? Dolce and Gabbana, girl. Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana.
Oh my God!
Oh my fucking gosh.
Pakita na. Oh, lovely.
Oh my gosh.
Sige, bigyan na. Tinama ko.
Hindi si Elijah si ano.
Tinama ko. Asa di yung box na?
Hindi siya nagikan? Hindi ang box na kay katong imo pang giyan gitanggal.
Ano?
Hala ka oy. No. Na-open ko na yun. I forgot.
Hindi mo, uy.
Ano ang pangalan? Angelica. Si Angelica. Grabe no. Thank you, Angelica. Oh my gosh, girl. There's two. Meron pa mga maliliit.
Go next na. Kaya, uy.
Angelica, grabe. Baka sobrang mahal nito, ah. Ma, birthday ko. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday to you, mga August. Mga August babies. Mga papansin. This is from Mary Rose. Tapos may ganito. Ako na daw magbigay kay Zimba nung isa. Okay, na-remember ko, sabi niya. From Mary Rose. Thank you, Ada Mary Rose. This is me, Zimba. And then my...
No.
Wow. Ano ito? Ano sa?
Sa lamisa siya. Perfect. I love it.
Wait.
Shoot, shoot.
Na po? Para saan na? I don't know. Wala na?
Ang isa lagi. Ang cover. Chikiana!
Flower yan, ma. Flower ba yun? Flower nga, nakita ko naman.
Flower ba?
Bouquet.
Ay, hindi siya sa lamesa pala.
Uy!
Ganyan siya.
That's flower. To Kiana from Ate Morea. Dami namang gift ni Ate Rhea. Wow, Luffy! Bagong fan lang po ako ng Luffy. Nung live action. Pero nag-watch din naman ako dati. Ng cartoons when I was young. But you know, I love it. Oh, wow, 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 wow!
Sabi siya sa airport, sa plane. Kung masyadong maginaw ba yan? Wag ba?
Okay, next. Patulog akong ilong, girls.
Sasa kasi naghatag.
Ala, may naghanap ng ano yung kasama sa black and white baga? That's giving naman, ma. Aha. Shout out, mom. Birthday mo ka mo, ma. August. Alea and Jory. Hi, Alea and Jory. This is what? A glasses? What glass? What kind of glasses is this? The clear one or purple shades, mama. Okay, I love it.
Next.
Kaan?
Asahan.
This is from Kiana with a K from Eliza Hay. Eliza Hay, Kiana Hay. To Kiana Hay from Eliza Hay. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Girls gone wild, the girls gone wild. Yeah. First we have, wow, is this us bracelet? And nagaling wala na basag, fragile. Sweet time. Happy birthday, Kiana. Ay, may 100. Thank you. Happy second round B-Day. My langging. You deserve all the flowers in the world. I love you. Aww. Whoa. Look at that, Momo.
Cute.
I love it.
Next we have
Next, we bring to the stage. Wow! Avail all. Avail ko all. Gusto mo din ah?
Hindi, titignan ko
Ang
lang.
cute, oh.
Ang cute kasi yung ano.
Ang pogi mo rin dito, love. Sila na lang. Mag-kiss kayo. Ito si J-Bot Chi. Si J-Bot Chi na.
Ito na. Buang mo yun.
Tsuki Ana. Tushi. Ala, mo ni Shi. Uy, what is this? Huwag ka mo nito ka una. Me and Maxi. Ay, uy, nakakatakot. Uy, scary kaya! Ay! Stop! Uy, scary, mama. Kiana, for your eyes only. Nakangiti na ako kay Doy. For your eyes only, okay.
Ano to?
Ah, me and my jowa. Wa. From Shay Shweki daw, oh. Ah, sa ano?
Uy! Ay, ano?
Unya na, unya na. Ah, na pa, oh. Mga pictures from MPP. From Adlokig ka. Mura mo nagbuang ni.
Ayun na, muna na yung maksiyan na, gago.
You're scaring me. Ah, tanaw love, gapo ko. Tanaw sa bro.
Ay, gano'n.
Ah,
Hello, ang ganda. Akin yan? Ay, sa'yo.
sa akin. Tapos meron ka din sa'yo.
Hello,
Oh.
ang dami.
Mga photo cards. And
Ang gwapo naman ni Maxi John.
yan si J-Bot. J-Bot Galang with V, Victory. And mga photo cards. Season 3. May kapatid. My mom. Ah! Yung asawa ko! Kuibi ko yun! This is my boyfriend. Grabe, yawa. Lamig isibrant manolo. Supsupon, yun ako yung tiil ba? Just open the record. May record na siya. Baka mawala. Sige ka. Uy! Wala ka buang... Nabuang naman ka.
Oh, sige, kanina lang.
Wala kay lingaw ha.
Ginahan.
Si Brent, my love, oh my God, grabe. Pwede ko ba siya maging boyfriend kahit one day lang? Like, Brent Manalo, if you're watching this, uy, nabuang.
Ay, meron din akin. Uy. Wow! Oh my God.
Isa na.
Oh my God.
Ala, si River! Kisses. Thank you so much.
Ikaw daw maging ani, B. Ikaw ba? Maging ani, dali.
Ekin sa kanina gikan?
Hindi ko alam. Mala, oh, ang cute. Thank you. Ikaw daw pag ganyan. Yung screen na kuhan ko na. Yawa, bigilay mo ko. No.
Ah, ito pala, hindi ko pa na... Ito ba yung tinutukoy nyo? Hindi pa nabubuksan? Please. Ah, for Cookie. Love you, Key and Cookie. Ala, walang Kevin. Si Elijah. Ah, Touche, oh. Touche.
Ito, Elijah. Ay! Ah, oo. Nabasa ko to sa, nakita ko to sa TikTok. Ganda nito.
Go! Ay, si Shay pala. Ikaw pala yun. Don't read it out loud. That's it na? Ano na pa man di ay?
Kaya nga, wait lang.
Tama na! Tama na! Ah, palot na ko guys. Grabe na kayo akong buhok.
Ay, keychain from Singapore. Thank you. Thank you, Elijah. Next, likod na.
Yawa. From Shay Mani. Hi, BFF Shay. It's for you, darling. Kiana.
Hi, VFF Shay.
From
We're so
Bea.
proud of you. Galing, standing ovation. Ay, thank you, Kenny. With a K and Mark Angelo. Oo.
Thank you so
Kenny
much.
at saka si Mark.
Wow! New nails!
Ang dami pala. Ang ganda.
New nails, who this?
Ang dami pang shrimp.
Lagi na pa yung shrimp dito. Ito, ano to ka? What's that? Look.
Kenny, bongga, pasabog ko. Hello, I love the color blue. Oh my God. Hello.
Flat tops. Chocolate.
Oh my God.
Please read this letter. Okay.
Hello. Ang ganda naman nito. Uy, color
Ang
blue.
taas. Ay, kay Angel Mani, guys! Ano ba talaga? From Kiana tapos kay Angel.
Baka yung letter.
Naglibog na jud ko, guys.
Hello,
Naglibog
ang
na jud
ganda
ko.
nito. Thank you, Kenny and Mark Angelo. Ang ganda ng...
Kay Angel to, mamumuksa yun. Baka kay Angel din to. Pero ang laki ng kamay, edi akin to. This is mine. Nails. And then, sleeping, Keneso. Shit! Parang Team Pilipinas, oh. Red and blue. Red, blue, sun, get ready for the
Ang
rise.
ganda
Stand,
na.
face, body, and waist. Can't clock me now, but apparently I'm clocked. Siminto-siminto concept.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi ng blue. Super ano siya, oh. Lakas... Oh, good.
So, mom? Yeah.
Buyo ba? Yaw mo, nilingaw na. Buong-buong.
Next.
Ganda. I love it. I love this one.
To Kiana from Angel.
I love it.
Hala, ang cookies. Pila na yung ka-days, die.
Hello, wala ka nagsaba. Mani pagka...
This is from Angel. Happy birthday, Kate. Today we celebrate not just your birthday, but the beautiful person you are. Thank you for inspiring me every day with your passion, dedication, and positivity. You've shown me what it means to dream big and work hard, and for that I'll always be grateful. May this year be filled with happiness, endless opportunities, and all the love you truly deserve. Keep chasing your dreams. We'll always be here to cheer you on every step of the way. With so much love, Angel. Mmm. Hey. Angel.
Sarap.
Sarap, di ba?
Walang salim tayo.
Ano crush mo? Ano crush mo siya?
God River, akan yan.
One, two, three. Ready, get set. Baka kay Angel to isa. Ano?
Boom. Ano, baka ka-angel yung isa ba?
I don't know. No name eh.
Yes! Para sa akin. Shay, inaamin ko, maksiyana ako, pero nung nakilala kita at nakita ko kung paano mo mahalin si Kiana. Saludo ako, sobrang bait, talented. Aww.
To Kiana.
Rihanna.
We always
Okay,
support you,
Rihanna.
mahal ka namin. Rihanna.
Labi naman ka. Uy, over naman dito, bro. Long, ito ng bag. Uy, perfect. I love you. Long.
Sana. Yeah, me too. I have orange one. There's perfume inside. Yeah.
Pala siya.
Ito, stickers. Ala, pwede siya idikit ata.
Saan siya dikit? Sa ref.
Diri. Bugok.
Thank you so much.
Ala, dagan kay hipuson. Yawa. Hala!
Very, ano yung, ano niya, very
Mama.
foresty.
Ah. Ito very, oh my gosh. Pang ano.
Oo, ano? Ang bango!
Ala, nasa yung scoreboard
I
ko?
love it. Thank you so much, Angel. Ay, si ano, sino nabigay nito? Si
Perfect.
Rihanna. Rihanna, thank you.
When the sunshine will shine together, told you I'll be here forever. And I don't wanna stand, don't let it out, back it out till the end. Now it's raining more than ever. I've been on it, but I gotta. You can stay under my umbrella. You can stay under my umbrella.
Ito din, same tayo. Bigay ni...
eh,
Bigay ni Kenny at saka ni Mark Angelo.
Okay.
Nagbigay ng shrimp.
Wow, from Ki. Hi, Kiana. Okay. See, sure, Mama.
Oh.
Wow. Jacket.
Oh, cute.
Jacket shirt.
Pang airport.
True. Ala.
Hello, cute na.
Ala kay brigading. Very brigading. Mga ganito.
Ay, dili siya. Ano siya? Pax.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi kanita yun.
Oh,
Ano
stylist.
yung styling?
Ah, dili ka na. May ano,
Ay,
print.
Pero siya to siya.
Yung pataka, bagich.
Thank you, Kenny.
Thank you kaya ni Tis Karma.
To my mananak.
Jewel! In the palace.
Bakit dalawa to?
Jewel. Mayong format daw na black white paper bag, may letter daw doon. Oo, anong petsa na? Titignan ko yung isa-isa. Wait lang kayo. Saan doon? Yung black and white baga. Ang dami na nangyari talaga. Saan eh? Wow! Ah, yung mga naka-Kiana makeup girlies. You guys were so beautiful last night.
Ano yung next?
Shower curtain. Oh, social. And it's in the shade white. In the shade. To my mananap. Teen. Hi, Teen. Wow! Kiana. Oh, wow. This is so good. Ganda. Happy birthday. Congratulations on your birthday concert. From Teen the Dinosaur. Ang ganda. Galing mag-drawing, oh. Tas na pa. What? Wait, what? Round 2. Fight. Makati ng ilong ko, guys. Die. Thank you, Tin. And Jewel. And of course, from... From Hanji. Hanji loves. Angie Lovski. Ramyon gift. Ah! Aww! Thank you, pero hindi ko na to favorite. May bago na akong favorite. Pero I still love this though. Kati na ilong ko, oy. Bicol concert, please. Go! Why not? Daya, dagan palagi ko ayo boy. Kiana. Hindi po yun ako. T-shirt from Chris. From Chris Donna. I can't read it. It's so I don't know how to read it. It's giving me confusion. Wow, clean lang, clean look. And we have from Rosa. Rosa. Is it a t-shirt? Yes. Look. It's a lightning bolt. Tapos may pasabog. Kiana. Pasabog. I love the design. The design is very pasabog. Thank you, Rosa. Next, Sheshwiki. Hala, from Sheshwiki Dai.
Oh my gosh!
Sheshwiki Dai. To Kiana. To Kiana from Angel Nicole. Grabe, ang daming angel.
Wow!
You guys are my angels.
Another kabango. Thank you. Si Eli. Eli, thank you so much.
And season 3. I miss my sisters. I miss Mama John. I miss everyone. Kiana. Angel Nicole. Mo rin siya. Siya ni guys. Hi Ki, thank you for being you. Thank you for inspiring me. You deserve everything in life. Sa mundong nakakapagod, ikaw ang pahinga ko. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, new phone case with Disney Princess. Oh my god, masabog! Okay, na-excite ko ano. I'm gonna use that.
Thank
I
you,
want
Eli.
it. Next we have is, nagapon ko yung base. Anong base? I mean cup. A cup. Cup of tea or cup of something. I don't know. Sheshwiki!
Oh my god.
Ganun ka pa. This is from Heart. Miss Heart. This is from you to me. To Kiana with a K. Taray palette. Wow, I can't say the name of this palette. But thank you. Tamang palette. Ikaw mag-iin. Sabi mo thank you.
Hi, thank you so much. Whoa.
Ay, another to Kiana. Highlighter din sa katawan.
Bongga.
Ugh. Grabe, kakatulak ko ilong.
Oh my god, another perfume. Thank you.
Ito
So meaning mabaho ako kasi
ito din yung lalagayan nun. Sabi ni
Thank you.
same daw lagayan.
Kasi same lagayan.
Pa-check na lang ko sa mga butangan basta na pa yung mga letter or something.
Bakit ano ba?
Yung nawawala daw. So, Kiana. Ito double check namin yung mga lagayan.
Ano bang letter siya?
Wow! Ay, Angel Galang mani. So, Kiana, happy birthday. I love you always, big ate. Ako pala to. Wow! Wow! Me in yellow. Si Angel, and then ako. And then, keychain, abracadabra, abra, una. And I don't just say that's all of tonight. To Kiana from Eli. Black and white yon. Baga. Black and white daw. Ito. Dina-double check na po.
Ay, eto.
Ito. May letter. Ito.
Yan pala.
Okay, have a nice day. Baga. Kiana from Cass. Ito ba?
Yan yun.
Ito ba yon? Sumagot ka! Ito yan! Sumagot ka!
Elsie,
Sumagot ka!
mauli ko ng host be. Ang sa...
Ina mo, ah. Hi, Key. Belated happy birthday. Thank you for giving me millions of reasons to not give up. Thank you for saving me. In many ways. You didn't knew. I hope to see you soon again. This may be my first time, but definitely not my last. I love you always and always, Cass. Queen San Saviors. Is this it? Cassie. Cassie! Cassie! Gumising ka na, anak. Anong oras na? Thank you, Cassie. Nakita niyo yung letter. Next. Hala, Coach, New York. Dalagang pa di ko ayawa. Sukiya to crazy. Wow, it's a cap. No cap, mama. It's a cap. It's a cap. From Ate Altea. Okay. Sukiana. Oh, flower. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the flowers. Flowers. Thank you for the flowers. Next. Who is this? Regalo ni Juliana Part 2. Wow. May Part 2, ah. Awa, katul ka ayo. Akong ilong guys, gabi ka katul. Murag what the fuck. Wow. Wait, what? What is this? Like this? Bawa lagi nagbulingon, guys. Narimawag siulingon. Saan ito, Totoy? Dere. Okay. Get it now. I get it now. Okay. Thank you. Next, from Kiana. Aww. To my dearest Kiana. Love you always, Kaka. Ay, si Kaka. Kiana wins. Magnet siya. It's a magnet sa ref. Buti na lang may ref na. Shoutout sa mga Team Kiana na grabe. Kilala nyo na kung sino kayo. May pa-ref kayo. Pasabog. I love it. I love it. I love it. Kani kay Angel ni. It's Angels. More flowers. Happy birthday. Yawa! Guys, nagpapamakyo diri guys. Si Bello. Nagpapamakyo si Bella guys. Rose, happy birthday Kiana from Rose Anjoy. Si Rose Anjoy. You're welcome. Next, we bring to the stage. Oh no. And more flowers to Richelle. Oh, thank you, Richelle. At umiilaw din siya. Kiana, my love, so proud of you. Grabe. See you soon. See you most. See you. Okay. Chan! Asan yung ilaw nito? Nasaan ang ilaw nito? Okay, next gift. Hi, she's shrieking. From Trisha. She's shrieking from Trisha. Open sa. Hi, Cagayan po di. Soon, I'll be visiting my hometown. What's that? What is yun? Pasalubong set. No name, but thank you so much.
Thank you, Trisha.
Ito naman, Kiana from Catherine. Catherine Basco. Snacks.
Thank you, Trish.
Yawa. From Kathy Max. Thank you so much. Thank you for inspiring me to love writing again. From my AUs to real life. I love you. Every character you have. Grabe, nakakatulong ilong. Hala! Cute. 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 Grabe, nakagubot. What is this now? What is this now? Hala! Another cat! I also have one here. Doon na sila. Doon na lang. Oh.
Bongga.
It's Peppa Pig. Yawa. Mga letters. Ito na ba yun? Every moment gets better. This is from Ange to Kiana. Snack-a-doodle. And wow! Hala, paper doll! Oh my gosh! I missed this! Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me?